Are you tired of staring at a frozen Roblox screen, unable to join your friends' games? Let's get your Roblox updated and back in action, starting with the basics: the dreaded restart. Simply close Roblox completely and restart your computer or device. This quick move often clears up minor glitches that are holding you back. Okay, if that didn't work, let's try clearing the cache. This is like giving Roblox a fresh start. Depending on your device, you'll find the cache files in different locations, so check your operating system directions to find it. Once located, delete the cache files. Next, ensure both your device's operating system and the Roblox app itself are up to date. Go to your device's app store or game launcher, search for Roblox, and see if there's an update button. Don't skip this step. Sometimes, your device isn't fully compatible with the latest game builds. Is your device meeting to minimum system requirements? Check your device's specifications against the Roblox system requirements. Older devices might struggle with newer updates. Now, if you're still having trouble, search through the Roblox help forums. There are great solutions waiting there. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your Roblox update issues and get back to playing. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more gaming fixes, and happy playing.